Honeybees out working Oregon grape. See where they worked the petals and they've fallen off, but they're ladies are all over them a while ago when I first walked up. Now they're not a lot of them over here, but you can just hear nothing but buzz. One right there, a couple up there. Gives off a bright yellow pollen. This is January the 17th. They have once they've been pollinated, they have a purple berry, and I think it's May. It's actually edible. It's high in vitamin C. A friend of mine down in Mississippi makes jam out of them. Thanks for watching. Woolly Bees.